Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best Lifetime 8 folding table available. The Lifetime 22119 Folding Picnic Table. Now, what makes this picnic table stand out from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk durability. Constructed with a combination of UV-protected high-density polyethylene and powder-coated steel, this table is built to last. Say goodbye to worries about fading, cracking, chipping, or rusting. This table can handle it all. But durability isn't the only thing this table has going for it. With a seating capacity of up to 8 people, it's perfect for backyard barbecues, outdoor parties, or even just family dinners under the stars. Plus, it folds completely flat for convenient storage when not in use. Now, let's talk maintenance. Unlike traditional wooden picnic tables, this one is stain-resistant and easy to clean. A quick wipe down is all it takes to keep it looking as good as new. But what do actual users have to say about it? Well, according to over 2,000 ratings on Amazon, customers love the portability, quality, and value of this table. From easy assembly to sturdy construction, it's clear that this table is a hit with consumers. In conclusion, the Lifetime 22119 Folding Picnic Table is a top-tier option for anyone in need of extra outdoor seating. With its unbeatable combination of durability, versatility, and ease of maintenance, it's no wonder why this table is earning rave reviews from customers everywhere. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews on the products you love. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy picnicking!